In this video I created a makeup inspired by this bronzy look with bright lips of brilliant Cameron Diaz. She mostly wears a very soft and natural looking smoky eyes with a bold bright lip, and that's what I like a lot. Let's get started. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have a special guest here. This is my friend and a beautiful model, Caroline. And we did this makeup look on her inspired by Cameron Diaz. Caroline, what do you think? How do you feel about it?
Actually, I'm not a beautiful model, so that's her work. But no, it's true. You have seen me before when I came here to the studio. And actually, yeah, we wanted to do the by Cameron Diaz inspired look. And I think she did a really good job with it because, yeah, of course, it's not exactly the same, but it's a natural look and it's very fresh. You see especially the lips probably. And yeah, it was a lot of fun just creating a look because I also like Cameron Diaz a lot. So I think we both agree that she has a very nice and still natural looking style, right?
Yeah.
Which we prefer probably.
Yeah. And how it all started, this idea started because Caroline wrote me that somebody told her she looks like Cameron Diaz when she smiles on some particular picture.
That's true, you can agree if that's true or not.
Well, you will see. So enjoy watching the process and have a wonderful day.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye!
This is Caroline without any makeup. I think she's gorgeous and has an amazing skin. For a start, I applied some skincare behind the scenes and I start the makeup with this Silky and Healthy Effect foundation in the color a little bit lighter than her skin. I'm focusing it in the center of the face and spreading all over from there. Next, I will mix in some bronze adjuster in the foundation and make soft and warm contouring with it. This is a great way to add a very soft and natural looking dimension to the face and visually soften the lines. Here is the result. Next, some hydrating concealer under the eyes and in the central area of the face. After, I'm fixing it all with a hydrating translucent powder with very soft touching motions. So far, the skin looks very live, natural and glowing. Next, on top I will apply this blush in a fresh peachy color. And I'm asking Caroline to smile because in Cameron Diaz makeup it's obvious that the blush is applied on her smiling face. And some powder bronzer in the area of contouring. Caroline was complaining about her nose, which I think is lovely by the way, but I agreed to contour it and add a bit of bronzer on the sides. I'm going to prime the eyes with the same concealer and the same powder that I used before. And applying a medium bronze shade from this lovely and very high quality eyeshadow palette. And I start with building up the shape of the eye, following her natural shape with the flat side of my brush. After the shape is there, I fill in almost the whole eyelid with the same color. Then I am adding this beautiful bronze metallic on the center of the eye and this dark brown on the outer lash line. With another fluffy brush, I am going to blend the edges of the color. Then I'm adding some matte bronze with the same flat brush on the lower eyelid and blending it right away. Finally, some light apricot in the inner corner of the eye with a smaller brush. We added a lot of mascara on the lashes behind the scenes and finished up this simple eye look. Now I am quickly filling in Caroline's brows, but first soften them a little bit with a concealer and applying a warm blonde color of the pencil, following her own shape and filling in the gaps. And some eyebrow gel in a light blonde color to finish the brows up. Finally, we are doing the lips, creating a more defined contour with a flat brush and a bit of concealer. Adding some pencil first in a very fresh coral shade, following Caroline's natural lip shape. And adding this beautiful lipstick in bright coral color on top. Now get ready to meet Caroline Diaz and her final look and to see the before after. I am very happy how this look turned out and how it looks on Caroline, and actually it's so warm, cozy and natural, reflecting her personality very well. And of course reminding a little bit of Cameron Diaz's look. What do you think? Do they look a bit similar? Please write in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Ciao!
Going back on my makeup tip. Now to the other side. Just show us your hair.